All right, you bet. I know it. It's spotless. It's spotless. All right, guys, if you right there, who you want? 35 down to the down, 35, 35, 30, 30 down to the down, 30 down to the down, 30 down to the down, 30 down to the down. Start the bidding, guys. 30,000, 30, 30 down to the down. 15, money's on 20, 15, 20, down 5, 20 down, 25, 30 down, 5, 5, 30 down, 25, 20,000, 25, 20 down to the down, 25, 22, 5, 20,000, 22, 5, 22, 5, 20,000, 22, 5, down 25, 22, 5, down 25, down to the down, 22, 5, down 25. He's in without 22, 5, down 25, 23, 24, 23 down 24, down 25, 25, 26, man, 25 down 26, down to the down, 25 and 6 down, 6 down, 6 down, 25 and 6, 25 down 26, down to the down, 25 down, 6 down, 6 down, 6 down, 7, 26 and 7 down to the down, 27, 8, 27 down, 28,000, 27, 8, gradually your turn, 27, 8, 9, 28, 29, 28 down, 29, 30, 29 down to the down, 29 and 30, 29 down to the down, 30 down 1, 30,000, 31 down, 1, 1, 1, 31, 2, 31 down, 2 down, 2, 2, 31 down, 2 down, 2 down, 31 and 2, 31 down, 32 down, 31 down, 2 down, 2 down, go 2 down, 31 and 2, 31 down, 2 down, 32, 3, 32 and 3, 4, 33 and 4, 33 down, 4 down, 4 down, 33 and 4, 33 down, 34 down, 33, nicest one, guys, I've ever seen, nicest one we've ever sold. 34,000, 33, 34, 33 down, 4 down, 4 down, 33 down, 4 down, 4 down, 33 and 34,000, 34,000, 33, 34, 5, 34, 35,000, 36,000, 30, he says take that, Brad, 35, 36, your turn, 35 and 36 down, 35 and 6. 36,000, 35, 36, 35 down, 36 down to the 35 and 6 and 6 and 6 and 35 and 36 down to the 35 and 6, 36, one more time, 35 down, 36 down to the 35 down, 6 down, 6 down, 6 down, 35 and 36,000, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, you bet.
My guy wants to know if he can raise his own bid.
No, he can't. Not here at our auction. You cannot raise your own bid, sir. 35, 36, he'll get 35, 5. 35, 5, 36,000. Now you can raise it. Now 36.5. Now your turn to raise it. 36.5, 36.5, 36.5, 36.5, 36.5. Bradley, tell them, look at all the fun that they have. We haven't spent a dime yet. 36.5, 36.5. Brand new rubber all the way around, guys. 36.5, 36.5. Missouri boys, your turn. 36.5, 36.5. 36.5, 36,000, 36.5, 36 down to the down, 36.5 now, 36,000, 36.5 last call, 36.5 once again, 36.5, 36.5, $36,500. Sold the tractor, 36,000, your turn, 36,000.
Stays right here in town.
Stays right here in Sleepy Eye, Minnesota.
145.
36,000, 145. You bought a nice tractor, my friend. Coming ahead. Oh boy, have you seen a cleaner one, guys? John Deere 4450, mechanical front tractor, mechanical front wheel drive tractor, 15-speed power shift, 3212 Dean is what I'm showing on the hours. I may have an hour or two more on that. Front fenders, guys, 3.3 hydraulics, PTO, rock box, brand new, 420/85 R26 Firestone tires, new 480 ADR 42 Firestone duals. Are the inside drivers new too, also, Frankie? They're just like new, though. They just are like new, guys. Dean, when you're ready, you want to go ahead and start that up, you certainly can. That's right. Good, clean tractor. Dean's going to back it up just a little bit, guys.
Got the fenders out.
That's perfect, Dean. Got the fenders on it, got the rock box, guys. That's good, Dean. Appreciate it. Got some filters that are right inside the rock box. Dean bought this tractor brand new, guys. Now, when we listed the sale, just how particular that Dean and Carla are, Dean says to me, what do you think if I just put brand new rubber all the way around? And I said, Dean, it's completely your choice. It's you know, you think so much of the tractor. I think it's worth it, guys, to put the rubber all the way around. He says, well, you know what? I want to have the next person buy this tractor. They're going to get just as good of a machine as what I've had. And so he says, I'm going to put new rubber all the way around, guys. And they've been all these tractors, all this equipment that he's had here today has been good equipment for him. He's selling everything like we already have to absolute to the highest bidder, guys. And just a good, clean, honest tractor. If you are out of the area, if you're out of state, you're out of the area, you can't take the tractor home today. Tractor's going to go right back in the shed. They're going to get plugged in. That's just the way he is. You call him, you let him know when you're coming to get it. Hopefully you can come get it in the next 7 to 10 days, weather permitting, guys. But you buy the tractor, you pay for it today. You come get it whenever you can, guys. If you're local, you can certainly take it today. If you're out of state or out of the area, you give Dean a call and you can come get it whenever you're ready. Okay, guys, I challenge you to find a cleaner one and a nicer one. $44.50, houred right, hours are actual, $32.12. Dean bought this tractor, brand spanking new.
Right off the farm.
Right off the farm, guys. There we go, right there. What do you want to give 70 down, 70 down, 70 down, 70 down, 70 down, 70 down, 60 down, 40,000, money's on 50, 40 down, 40 down, 50, 40 down, 40 down, 40 down, 45, 50, 45 down, 45, 50, 45 down, 45 down, 45 and 50, 45 down, 45 down, 45 and 50, Brad, 45 down, 45 and 50, 45 down, 45 down, 45 and 50, 50 down 5, 50 down 55, 50,000, 55 down, 50 down, 55 down, 50 down, 55, 50 down to around 55 down, 50 down to around 55, 50,000, 55, 50 down to around 55 down, 52 5, down 55, 52 5 down, 55 down to around 52 5 down, 55 down, 57 5, 55 down, 57 5, 57 5, 55 and 57 5 down, 55 down to around 57 5, 55 down to around 57 5, 55 and 57 5, 55 now you're in 55 down, 57 5, 55 down, 57 5 down, 55 and 57 5, brand new tires. Bought the tractor brand new, guys. Help yourself. 55, 57 5. 55, 57 5, 55 down, 57 5 and 55 and 57 5, 55 down to around 57 5 and 55 and 57 5, 57 5, 57 5, 55 down, 57 5, who give 56, 55, 56, 55 down to around 56,000, 55 down, 55 and 56, 55 down, 56 and 7, 56 and 7 down, 58, 57, 58, 57 down to around 58, down 58, down 57, 58, 57, 58, 58 down to around 57, now 8, down 57, 58, 57 down to around 58, now brand new, alright, brand new rubber, guys, fendered up, help yourself, we're here to have a new home, 57, 58,000, 57, 58, Bradley's in, 57, 58, 50, 57 down to around 58,000.
Alan, I just talked to Dean. He said, guys, I don't have room for it.
That's right.
If I did, it wouldn't be on the sale.
That's right.
He said, you need a good tractor, buy this one.
He sold his farm, guys. He sold this building site. We're going to be selling the house tomorrow. We're going to be selling his house there tomorrow. Guys, help yourself. 57, 58,000. Here to have a new home. 57, 58, Bradley's in. 57, now wait. 57, now wait, down wait. Got Doug in. 57, now wait, down wait. Down 57, 58, Brad. 57, now wait. 57, down 58, Doug down. 57, now wait, down wait. Down 57, now wait. He's in. 57, now wait, down wait. Down 57, down 58,000. Last call, guys. 58, 58, 58. I'll take 57 5 before we go. 57,000, 57 5, $57,000, $57,500. Anybody else? Down 58.
Yeah.
Down 58 5 per case. 58 5, 58 5, 58 5, 59,000, 59 5, 59 5. Sir, come along. Sir, come along. 59 5, 59 5, 59,000, 59 5, 59,000, 59 5. Worth the begging, guys. 59,000, 59 5, 59 down to around 59 5, 60, 59 5 down, 60,500, 60,000, 60,500 down, 60 down to around 60,000. Better than money in the bank. Better than money in the bank. 60,500.
Alan, Dean would like to start it.
You bet. Dean, you want to start that tractor one last time? 60,500, Frankie, it's your turn. 60,500. Bradley's in 60,000. I'm asking 60,500. That's good, Dean. Appreciate it. 60,000, 60,500 on 60,000, 60,500 going once. 60,000, 60,500 going twice. 60,000, 60,500 on third and final call. Anybody else? $60,000, $60,500. Last call. I have the tractor. Bradley, $60,000 smooth. Goes to Sacred Heart, 85. Appreciate you guys. Goes to Sacred Heart, 85 is the buyer. Coming along to the next.